Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Building Multimodal AI Agents. Seeing, hearing, and talking AI. Imagine an AI that doesn't just read text but can also look at images, listen to sounds, and respond like a real person. That's what a multimodal AI agent is. Think of it like a smart program that can use multiple senses, just like how we humans use our eyes to see, ears to hear, and mouth to talk. For us developers, this means creating AI that understands the world in a much richer, more human-like way. Most AIs you might know are Multi-Modal. They specialize in one type of data. An AI might be great at reading text, like ChatGPT, or another might be great at recognizing faces in photos. But imagine trying to understand a movie with just the sound, or just the visuals. It's incomplete. Multimodal AI combines these different senses to get a full picture. From a developer's standpoint, this allows us to build applications that are far more intuitive and powerful, breaking free from the limitations of single-sense AI. How does AI see an image or a video? It's not magic. It breaks down what it sees into numbers and patterns. This is called computer vision. Concepts like image recognition, identifying what an object is, like a cat or a car, and object detection, finding where that object is in the picture, are key here. As a developer, you won't need to teach the AI to see from scratch. You'll use powerful, pre-trained vision models or APIs, application programming interfaces, that are ready to go, letting your AI agent instantly analyze visual information. Just like sight, AI can also hear. This involves converting sound waves into data the eye can understand. Speech recognition is a common example, where spoken words are accurately converted into text. Think of voice assistants. Beyond speech, sound classification allows AI to identify different types of sounds. Is that a dog barking, a doorbell, or music playing? For developers, integrating audio capabilities means plugging into audio models or APIs that handle this complex conversion, enabling your AI to listen and react to its auditory environment. Once our AI has seen and heard, it often needs to communicate its understanding or answer questions. This is where language generation comes in. Using powerful large language models, LLMs, AI can learn from vast amounts of text data to generate coherent, human-like responses, write summaries, or engage in conversation. From a developer's perspective, you'll be using these LLMs as the brain and voice of your agent. You give it a prompt, like describe this image, and it generates the response, allowing your multimodal AI to talk back. Now, let's combine these senses. Imagine an AI agent shown a video of a dog wagging its tail and barking. It sees the dog, hears the bark, and using its voice, it might tell you, I see a happy dog barking excitedly. This synergy of senses allows for a much deeper, contextual understanding of the world, leading to truly intelligent interactions. As a developer, you're learning to orchestrate this symphony of data, creating AI that can interpret complex real-world scenarios, just like a human would. The great news for beginner developers is that you don't need to be an AI scientist to build these agents. Many powerful tools are available. Cloud platforms, like Google Cloud AI, Oz iServices, Azure AI, offer pre-trained models and APIs for vision, speech, and language generation. Open-source libraries also provide robust frameworks. Your role as a developer will be to connect these different sense modules, integrating a vision API with a speech-to-text API, and then feeding that information into an LLM to generate a smart response. It's like building with advanced Lego bricks. Multimodal AI is a game changer, pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. From intelligent robots that understand their surroundings to smart assistants that truly grasp the nuance of your requests, the applications are limitless. By understanding how to build AI that can see, hear, and talk, you're not just learning a skill, you're gaining the power to create the next generation of intelligent applications. The future of AI is multi-sensory, and you're now ready to be a part of it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.